In the video for today, I'm going to speak to you about 3 free tools that could be better than Find My Device to track your lost or stolen laptop. We don't use our laptop for calling or video calls or anything on those lines anymore. We have smartphones these days. We do almost everything from calling to video calls, banking transactions, and everything on our smartphones. So a laptop is basically used for work these days, and if a laptop goes missing, we may just get into trouble. Now, in order for you to ensure that your laptop is traceable, it never goes missing, these are 3 tools that you could have used to track your laptop back after it was stolen. First tool, which works fantastic, even more better than Find My Device with Windows, is the Prey project. The free version of Prey project allows you to locate up to 3 devices. Say supposing you want to trace your laptop and you had installed the Prey project on your lost or stolen laptop. So what is going to happen is, from your phone, when you log into the application, you could actually go ahead and get data about where the laptop is. It's a very interesting and a useful software that you could have had installed on your laptop. The standout feature about the Prey project is that the missing mode on the application for Prey project, it acts as a stealth investigator. It can actually capture silent webcam pictures of the thief, take desktop screenshots, lock down the keyboard, and display a custom message on the screen. The second tool is Absolute. The unique advantage about Absolute is that it is often embedded directly into the motherboard's BIOS or firmware of major laptop brands like Lenovo, Dell, or HP. So if the laptop is stolen and the thief decides to format the hard drive, reinstalls Windows, or replaces the storage entirely, Absolute survives the wipe. It will actually call home the server as soon as the laptop goes online or touches the internet. You could check online on the website to see if these guys have a free trial for you according to your location. The third tool, which is more useful than Windows Find My Device, is reporting your laptop as lost or stolen to the police station. Now, you may think that it is useless. The cops are not going to work for you. They are not going to help you track your lost or stolen laptop, but that is not the case everywhere. You could give it a try. When you're filing in a missing complaint, just ensure you provide them with all details like your MAC address and the serial number and everything, so that they could do a proper tracking for you. So the cops may just have a support system or a software through which they could go ahead and first of all blacklist your lost or stolen laptop or PC and then try and trace it. So I hope this helps in a way, and if you have any further questions, I'm all ears. You could send me an email or you could even post a comment in the comment section below. Take care, my friend.